cheese that suits the spreading like this with the double crust, and this pizza will be just awesome. There are certain instant snacks that are very popular, especially among the youth. One of them is bread pizza. To say itself, I am feeling a little bit suffocated, but people just love it. So why not make it? So for this, you got to take bread slices, the regular ones, but for one pizza, you're going to use 2 slices. So one of the slices, take it and take the rolling pin. Just roll it like this flat. Okay? Take another slice, put over top of this, and any excess, just cut it. Now you got 2 slices. So one is the regular flatbread, the other one is you have rolled it. So we're going to use both of them to make one pizza. By popular demand here, I'm going to make it cheese burst pizza. Take slices of bread, just apply a little bit of melted butter. This will give a very nice texture. Turn it to the other side. Now, on top of this, to make it cheese burst, we're going to do double cheese. So just put cheese in the center and just push it to the corners. You want more cheese? You can put some more cheese on top. Take the flattened bread, put it on top, give it a press. On top of this, you're going to quickly take some pizza sauce. That's it. 1 spoonful for one pizza. That's it. As simple as this. I'm just going to make one chicken pizza. So very finely chopped chicken pieces. And if you want 1 or 2 slices of onion, tomato, capsicum, that's it. You want to make a veg pizza? Add a lot of onion, again capsicum, maybe tomato, and if you want, you can also add some corn. These kind of pizzas are what bachelors love. Just add cheese on top with the help of your hand. Just add how much of cheese you want, and then we're going to put it in a hot oven at 220 degrees centigrade for around 5 to 7 minutes, and your pizza will be ready. Even though you did not make the yeast dough, you're using a just bread slice, but still this will taste as good or better than sometimes regular pizza. So make it and enjoy your cricket match. So look at this, beautiful, and wow. So because I added a little bit butter on the bottom, it's got the nice crunch also. And so, here is the cheese that suits the spreading like this with the double crust, and this pizza will be just awesome. Watching the game, whether it is IPL, is something we all love. It's a 6. Wonderful. And the cheese. There are always shortcuts for the real thing, but it's okay to enjoy once in a while like this. Make it when you enjoy the best of the best food. You got to do ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Very simple bite. My goodness, that's so good.